Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is our first video on this channel and we're going to kick the video off by doing a little baby girl clothing haul because when I go into stores I just cannot help myself. I have to grab everything and get everything, so I have a whole bunch of bags here, and so yeah, we're going to just show you some of the things that we got, especially because a lot of people ask me where I get Lily's clothing. And I should probably start off this video also by saying that she's in her crib and I'm also filming in her room in front of a window, so the lighting keeps changing up on me a little bit, so I apologize for that and might have to stop a few times. So let's just jump right into it. So the first place I went was Gymboree, and I got this romper that's like corduroy. It's really soft and ribbed with these brown buttons, which is really cute because because you can wear it under like pants for winter time. And then the next thing I got was this white shirt to pair with pants, and has some scalloping at the neckline. Got her this really light pink little hoodie and it has stars embroidered on it. Her this cardigan with some gold little detailed buttons on it, which is really cute. It's going to be really nice for when it starts getting cold because I can mix and match some of these things and just throw a little sweater over top for when we go places when it's cold. Then I got this light pink mauve fur vest, which will be nice for around the holidays. It's pretty festive. This white and gold puffer vest that has gold hardware on it and little gold hearts. And then lastly, from Gymboree, I got her this green ribbed long sleeve. It's not really, there we go. That's the accurate color. Has a little bit of scalloping on the sleeves and on the bottom as well. I had to grab her quick. She did not want to be in her crib any longer, so she wanted to make her first cameo, right, Lily? So the next place we went was Target, and the bag is overflowing. I died when I seen this and absolutely had to get it for her, especially around the holidays with Christmas and everything coming up. It's just like totally our aesthetic and I just think it's so adorable. I'm telling you, I like died. So it's this pink dress with gold sparkles and a fur neckline. I mean, how cute is that? And there's buttons in the back going down the side. I just I could not believe how cute that was. I had to get it. Sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed. And then the next thing we got her this ugly Christmas sweater with the Grinch on it. Again, for around the holidays. I think this will be really cute. What do you think, Lily? You want to wear this? What do you think? You want to wear this? Yeah. Also got her these bows. They're metallic and like a patent leather. I thought the gold would look really cute with the dress, that pink dress that I just showed you with the little gold sparkles in it. Last thing from Target are these little Christmas jammies, footy jammies with little reindeer. Let's see if I can show you. Little reindeer on the feet. So we thought that would be really cute for Christmas morning. The next place that we went to was Oldnavy, and we got a lot of stuff here. They have a lot of good, really cute baby girl stuff. So she wore these already, and we got 2 other pairs of these too. Yeah, right? But they're in the wash right now. So we got her these leggings. We got them in gray, white, and a jean color. And there's little ruffles on the butt. She also wore these already too. But it's getting a little bit harder for her to wear these with it starting to get cold out. So let me see if I can show you this one-handed. It's this little, yeah, this green romper, army green romper, and they have brown, it has brown buttons going down the front. We have another romper in this maroon with flowers, little pink and yellow flowers. So the same thing. Little romper. Got her some shoes because every girl has to have shoes. These black boots with gold hardware on them. And these pink, they're not velvet, but it's a fabric material. These pink boots with bows on the side. Do you like these, Lily? Do you like these? Do you like these boots? She doesn't care. Some brown riding boots with dark gold detailing on it. Because Mommy has a pair, right? And you're gonna match Mommy, right? When she's not kicking them off, of course. Is anybody else's kid like not keep socks or shoes on? Like she will not keep her socks or shoes on, right? She hates it. She kicks it off like as soon as I put them on. I got her another fur vest that's pink, but this one is a little bit longer and has a zipper. So light pink fur vest. This white shirt with, and it has bell sleeves. I don't know if you can see. Has little bell sleeves. So I thought that was really cute to pair with pants. Got her a few onesies. The one she already wore, and it says, what does it say? It's gray with gold lettering, and it says, I have the best dad ever. So we got her this one. It's a dark gray with metallic gold lettering, and it says, crawl, walk, run the world. Then we got her this one. It's pink. Yeah. It's pink, and it says, strong girls make a strong world. And then lastly, we got her this thermal. It's like a thermal material. Light pink with hot pink and yellow and white flowers. Two more pairs of pants. We got her these light pink jeans. Baby jeans. And then these heavier duty, thicker jeans from Oldnavy. Lastly, we went to the Carter's Oshkoshb'gosh store. And here's what we got there. Look, what did we get you? Look, what did we get? So I've been looking for a peacoat for her for a while, and it just so happened that they had this one, and I had to get it because it was just way too stinking cute. So we got her this little, yeah, do you like this? We got her this little peacoat, and it's double buttoned, I think they call it double breasted peacoat. It's actually a really soft material, and it's thick too, which is really nice. So this is going to keep her nice and warm in the winter time. This gray sweater with gold sequin heart on it. So adorable. Yeah, tell them. Yeah, tell him. You like all your clothes? So Gru is our dog, and he's a mini golden doodle, and so he's half golden retriever, half poodle. And sometimes, like, if we try to take him outside to go to the bathroom, if it's like raining and stuff, he'll act all like he doesn't want to go out because it's wet, and very like prissy, like poodle prissy. So we always say, oh, I'm a poodle because I'm fancy and I don't want to go in the grass because it's wet. And then we call her the princess. So we had to get this sweater because it was so cute, and just because of what we call her, the princess, and him, the poodle. So we got her this adorable pink poodle sweater. This white cardigan with, let's see if it'll focus, with bows on the pockets. That was it for our haul. Like I said, I can't contain myself when I go into a store, and a lot of people have been asking us where we get Lily's clothes, so I figured this would be the perfect chance to do a video and kind of show you guys what we got. So if you could help us out, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and we'll be sure to put up more videos like this, and reviews, and vlogs as well. So we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Say bye, Lily. Say bye.